Hi, Pavani.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine, ma'am. What about you, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm good. This is Varshini from Quality Department. Today I'm going to take feedback video from your side.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Pavani, can you introduce yourself, your college, your native?
Hi, ma'am. This is Pavani. I'm from Madasira, Andhra Pradesh. I have completed my BTech Civil Engineering in Annamacharya Institute of Technology. I have done my IDM and BIM course in CMTI. I have learned many things like types of finishers, material, and standard dimensions of the interior design.
Okay, Pavani. Like, how you got to know about CMTI?
Through Nagesh sir, ma'am.
Okay.
Our neighbor.
Like in CMTI, which course you have taken and what and all topics you have learned through it?
IDM and BIM, ma'am. I have learned types of finishers, materials, and standard dimensions of interior on softwares.
Okay. Like you have visited various sites and showroom, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So which and all showroom and site you have visited?
Glamwood, Infra Market, Tilly Kitchen, Design Cafe, IBA, IKEA.
Okay. Through site visits and all, what and all you have learned?
Types of kitchens and what are the finishes used for the interior and hardware used for interiors. And in factory visit, I have learned procedure of making plywood.
Okay, that's good, Pavani. Like, how was the trainers and coordinators and all supported towards you?
Good, ma'am. They're supporting very well.
Okay, you have used our CMTI app, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So how was useful for the course?
If I miss any classes, it is useful to see that one and I can understand now.
Okay, like how was the classes and all? How it was went well?
It's good, ma'am.
Okay, Pavani. Like, what do you want to tell to your friends and juniors who gonna join CMTI?
I refer to join CMTA as it is the best platform to uh, execute our knowledge and designing.
Okay, Pavani. Congratulations for the course, completing the course in CMTI. Have
Thank
a
you.
bright future.
Thank you, ma'am.